Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Fruity Things. In this video I will show you land numbers with clay. Let's go to the video. Number 1, O-N-E, 1. Number 2, T-W-O, 2. Next number 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 2 after 3, 3. And next number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 3 after 4. And next number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 5. 4 after 5. 4 after 5. And next number 6, S-I-X, 6. 5 after 6. And next number 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 6 after 7. And next number 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 7 after 8. And next number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 9. 8 after 9. And next number 10. 10. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. 9 after 10. These are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you like this video. Please subscribe my channel Fruity Things. Thank you.